Today, we are unboxing the Avalon High Voltage Inverter. Once you get your Avalon inverter, we will open up the box like so. Upon opening up the box, you will notice that it comes with a few components. The first major component that is inside the Avalon HV inverter is the mounting bracket. For your convenience, it has an up arrow to give you direction in which you mount the inverter. The next piece of information inside of the box is the quick guide for the Avalon HV inverter. Upon removing those items, you take the top off and you reach inside of the Avalon inverter. There are two boxes inside this inverter. Box number one is a box for some pieces of hardware equipment, mainly screws, like so. I'll set this to the side so you can see it. And the screws, some jacks. The other piece of equipment that you will receive inside the Avalon inverter is a breaker. So you will receive this, and I will open it up to show you what the breaker looks like. And this is the breaker that you receive inside of the Avalon High Voltage Inverter. Thank you for viewing this Avalon inverter unboxing video. Be sure to subscribe and like to see more information on the Avalon HV inverter. Thank you.